Good morning everybody, this is Ritwik and welcome back to my channel. Today is 15th of March and it's roughly around 3 degrees right now. Predicted to snow tomorrow, today and throughout the week. This is the weather report, if you can see it, I don't know. Anyways, so today is the day when my furniture will be delivered to my new house. So I thought why not also give you a glimpse of how a new unfurnished house looks in Germany, because it's completely empty right now. We don't even have any furniture, no lights, nothing, just the kitchen and bathroom. So let's take a look at how unfurnished houses here in Munich are like. Notice this is where I came from and this is the main door or slash the entrance to the building. In general, all German homes will have one small alley, and this is exactly what it looks like. It's also an empty space and they give you sufficient space to make your the cupboards over there. That's an entire stretch of wall that you see behind me, so you can keep your wardrobe slash your coat hangers, be it your shoe cabinets, and etc. On the other hand, we also have white blankish wall here, and people generally prefer to keep a mirror, hang a mirror here and a small wardrobe here, inside which you can keep your necessary items that you need to. And opposite to this door, we have two panels here. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, this and this. So these are for your MCB, the circuit breaker breakers, and the other one houses the internet connection for the entire apartment. And below there is where we have the meter readings for your warm and your cold water, and also the interior heatings. So attached to this space, we also have quite a big living area that generally houses your sofa, your wall cabinets, your study tables, etc. And you can see it's pretty big for a family of 2 members. That is exactly where you will probably keep your wall cabinets, which houses the TVs and your showpieces. And on the other side, you obviously have a generous amount of space to keep your sofa. Attached, we have a huge balcony. I don't know if the camera can justify how big that is, but to make you understand, 2 of me can lie over there on top of each other. So you can literally have your barbecues there. You can keep a table easy, hang out in the afternoons in summertime. It's a wonderful space. Opposite to the living area, we generally have a kitchen. Now in unfurnished homes, you either have the kitchen fitted or you have the kitchen unfitted. I would recommend that if you're moving into an unfurnished house and if you are new in Munich, move into a fitted kitchen house. The reason is kitchen can really cost you a bomb. We're talking about anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 euros for a good sized kitchen. Now then, this apartment is fitted with a fridge that opens via a handle. So if you open it, there you go, that's the fridge, that's the freezer area on top. 3 racks there, 3 racks here, 1 vegetable compartment and 1 egg compartment. The freezer is a little too small for our liking, so we'll probably end up replacing the fridge or buying a new one. On the other side, below this we have a storage. This is the dishwasher. Yeah, most homes in Germany, at least in Munich, they would come with a fitted dishwasher, and it saves you your life. Trust me on this. On top is the entire the rack. Beside the dishwasher is your dustbin area. Beside that is the area where you would keep your knives and forks and whatnot. Space below that, space there, space there, space there, space there. And this one has a pull down chimney. So if you just pull it out, automatically the chimney starts working and flashes light, obviously. No, these did not come with the apartment, we had to buy. That's a tissue paper holder that we've got, and this is your utensils hanging set. Okay, so all of these homes will come with a ceramic cooktop, and obviously we'll have an oven just below it. We operate on these knobs. So if you, for example, turn this knob from 0 to 1 or whatever, you will see that this boy here slowly lights up, and that is nothing but a heated top. The best part about the German homes are, if you move into an unfurnished apartment, most of the times you will also find that these light bulbs are missing. And so we bought our own lights. You have plenty of shops to shop around for them. You have stuff like IKEA, you have Poco, you have XXL Lutz. If we move ahead from the living come the kitchen area, we move into another special room that all of us need in our house, the bathroom. Yeah. In our unfurnished apartments, bathrooms should also be fitted. You can go in with an unfurnished bathroom as well, but again it costs you a bomb, so I'd recommend please move into a fitted house, a house with a fitted bathroom. So for the bathroom tour, when I entered the bathroom, it was from here, and if you take a look, turn towards your left, this is where your bathtub is. Generally most of your houses will either have a bathtub or a glass surrounding unit where you can take a shower. You have the western closet just next to it, the water closet, sorry, and opposite to it we'll have the heating rods, and also opposite to this we have a wash basin. It's pretty generously big. So over there you would generally have your closet. We are yet to buy that. There's an entire slot for a washing machine, come a dryer, come if you want to make a cabinet somewhere on top, you can probably house this here as well. To understand how big the bathroom is, this is where I'm standing, and I'm standing by the floor, okay? And if you move to the top, this is how big it is. Oh, by the way, those curtains and the rods, they were not there, so we just recently bought them. You can go in with a curtain come a rod feature, or alternatively you can also go in with a glass panel that is attached on the tiles. But unfortunately the caretaker for this house told us not to drill holes in the tiles. That is why we had to go with these. The bedroom is located right behind the bathroom door. So if you walk behind me, you also have a smallish area here that connects the bathroom to the bedroom. So people generally prefer and keep huge mirrors here. We'll see, we'll probably be keeping the same, probably a mirror or a wall hanging or a clock or something like that sort. We still do not know. This is the bedroom. Pretty big enough to fit a king size bed. By a king size bed I mean it can easily house a 180 cross 200 centimeter bed, which is big enough to sleep 3 people. And the best thing about this apartment is opposite to the bed area, so this is the bed area and that is the wardrobe section. And also the most important thing in all German homes is you will have these. This one over here, that's a fire detector or a smoke detector. So every time you cook something, you have to be extra careful, because I have another one here that is in the living room slash the kitchen. Now the kitchen is shared between the living room and the dining room, right? So if you cook something, this fire alarm can really go off. So you have to be extra careful about that, and especially if you're from India, so chauk marne se pehle I'd recommend keep your chimneys on, right, because that really helps. And if you notice one more thing, if you look at the US or the Canadian houses, they generally come with carpeted floors. In Germany you would generally have wooden laminates. On most of the houses, I have not yet seen any that has a carpet flooring, probably because it's expensive, who knows, I don't know. But you generally have these wooden laminated flooring. And the heating, the most important thing is the heating. So every room has got its individual heating, and you can regulate them with these regulators. They run all the way from cool to 6. 6 is generally for warm. Now let's take a look outside at the view and how it looks like. This is the balcony space. Take a look at the view. And the best part about this apartment is that if you look there behind me, on a clear day you can actually see the Alps from here. And when we moved into our apartment, that was one of the major selling points that we saw. The owner tried to sell us with the view of the Alps. It was snow cladded back then. I'm talking about February beginning, and February it was snowing crazy in Germany. And if you get into any high-rise apartments, anything that is above 4 floors or 3 floors, generally you would be getting a proper view of the Alps if you face obviously the southern side, south or the western side. So now for the rent of this apartment. Rent generally varies based on multiple factors: the year of construction, the location, that is the locality, what you have around you. For example, do you have schools, do you have public transport that is just right next door, Do you have a swimming pool in the apartment? Do you have a gym in the apartment, etc.? Do you have a garage in the apartment, etc.? Right? So for us, for this apartment, we are paying 1550 euros. That is almost standard in Germany for these sized apartments. So for your reference, this one is 64 square meters, unfurnished, with kitchen and bathroom fitted. Obviously your electricity and heating would be separate because come on, nobody knows how much electricity you're going to be consuming per year, right? And we will be paying somewhere around 50 euros for electricity, and for the internet it's a flat rate. Vodafone 39 euros, and it gives me unlimited downloads. Download is roughly around 100 megabits per second, and upload I guess is 50. I do have a garage because I have a car. If you've not seen my car video, go up, it should be popping up somewhere there. So for the garage I'm paying 80, and the garage is located below the apartment in the basement. The deposit for unfurnished apartment is generally 3 months cold rent. Now what is a cold rent and what is a warm rent? If you have to understand them, go to a video that I have mentioned. Link should be flashing up here. And I hope you've got an idea about how apartments here in Germany are, especially unfurnished. And I really wanted to show you this unfurnished apartment because this is what you will exactly get if you move into an unfurnished apartment. If you want to know anything else about how homes are here in Germany, let me know. Yeah, I did not buy an apartment, so do not ask me questions about buying a house. I cannot help you with that. But if you want to rent houses, definitely let me know. I'll probably answer all your questions. And if you've liked the video so far, just hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends who are trying to move into a new apartment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.